boom. Hampas-hampas lang para may lamok. Okay? What's up for you buddies mga kapapa? Ako nga po pala siya. Welcome to our channel, Yan 27. Sana po ayos tayong lahat dyan. Today, it's still a hotty day. Pero we ain't never stop dancing. Hell yeah! Hell yeah! Yeah! For it's Miss Independent Challenge, still by DJ Loonyo. Guys, alam niyo ba, super saya ko kasi ngayon ko lang po ulit narinig yung music ni Neo. Kasi isa po siya talaga sa pinaka-lodi kong performer internationally, just like Breezy, Chris Brown, ayun. Kaya, even though I didn't guess perfectly, masaya pa rin po ako. Yun, kasi nga, Neo nga, paulit-ulit. So, paano mga kapapa, sana ba panoorin niyo din yung dance challenge ko ito, Simpleng dance challenge. Okay, wala nang patumpik-tumpik pa. Let's go! Okay, first step tayo, kung gusto nyo gayahin yung ganyan muna, yan, yung intro, diba? Hindi ko alam yun eh, basta, okay, parang ganito lang siya, parang lang nag-hi, hello, greetings lang tayo. Okay, 1, 2, tapos sa left, 3, 4, 5, 6. Ulitin natin yun. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Tapos, cover your mouth. Don't be big. Tapos, next po natin is mini rock. Mini rock po is usually ganito siya. 1, 2, boom. Hampas-hampas lang para may lamok. Okay? So, ganito siya. There's something about the boom, 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 boom. Okay? Tapos, next, ulitin po natin yung mini rock. Okay? There's something about, tapos, boom, boom, tapos, if I can figure out, there's something about it. Tapos, parang piano, press mo kayo ng piano mula sa kanan pa kaliwa. 1, 2, 3, 4. Tapos, ulitin pa natin yun, isa pa. There's something about that. Tapos, I figure it out. Okay ba? Yun, gawin natin siya. Okay, from the top, yun pala yun. Okay? Hindi makakanta eh. 10, cover your mouth. Tapos, yun, rock. There's something about. Okay. Tapos, piano. Isa pa. There's something about. Piano. Parang nauutal lang eh, no? Tapos nun, next, she walks sa kanan. Okay. Walk natin yung kalibang, kanang foot natin. Okay. She walks like top, then, tapos, pedicure nails, like left, tapos, boom, boom. Okay, tapos, from right yung kamay, pakaliwa, tapos, boom, boom. Okay, tapos, next, okay, dun muna tayo sa part na yun, yung sa she walks, diba? She walks like a boss. Pedicure nails, right, left, suave, suave. Tapos, kanan, boom, boom. Okay, tapos, next part na tayo. Pakaliwa, boom. Parang gumaganto lang yung legs nyo. Tapos yung kamay. Okay, isa pa. Pakaliwa, Tapos, go, right, left, taas, boom. Then, that, hindi pa rin yung linya, basta yun. Tapos, that, ganon, tapos, 1, 2, tapos 3, 4, 5. Okay? Tapos nun, ulitin natin yun. Yung pakaliwa. Okay? Pakaliwa. Whoa. Hey. Boom. That. Boom. 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 Yun. Tapos, 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. That's why I love her. Tapos, Miss Independent. Yun. Para yung ganun po. Miss Independent. Okay. Right, left, right. Tapos twice sa left. Okay. Won't you spend a little time? Boom. Yun. Tapos, that's why I love her. Saka, is independent. Ooh, the way we shine. Tapos, hanggang sa mag-oo. Tapos, right hand down. Tapos, dun. Tapos, yun. Yun na siya. Okay. Yung pagano po, is independent. Medyo mabilis siya. Okay guys, from the top na tayo. Tara. Yang, diba? Carry catch, carry bells. Okay. From the top tayo. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Tapos, mirror. There's something about. Tapos, I can't figure it out. Tapos apa? Get something about. Okay. I can't figure it out. No. Tapos she walks like a boss. Right, left. Tapos kanan. Hey. Tapos whoa, hey, boom. Tapos 1, 2, 3, 4, boom. Tapos that's why I love her. Huwag niyo po kalimutan lumuko. That's why I love her, diba? It's independent. Won't you spend a little time? That's why I love her. The way we shine, Miss Independent. Tapos right hand down, boom. Yun. Okay, sana nakuha natin mga katuwa pa. This time po, dinadiretso na tayo. From slow down pace, ngayon po yung normal pace na niya. Okay. Ready mo ropes, ready na. Okay, 3, 2, 1, okay. yun na po mga tropa. Diyan po nagtatapos ang ating simpleng challenge tutorial. Sana po nagustuhan nyo. Please don't forget to hit like, subscribe, comment. Pwede nyo pong i-share pag natripan nyo lang. Hindi bonus na po yun. Kaya maraming salamat po ulit sa panonood. Until next time po, peace and love. Love you all. Bye-bye po. Ingat po lagi.